Good evening everybody, how are you all? So today we are going to start with this chapter which we have, half part we have already done. So this is the second part of this chapter, chemical reactions and equations. Hi Sumukh, hello Rohit. So in this class, from this chapter, we are going to do the important questions and we are going to do the previous year questions. Okay, as I have told you that doing the previous year question is the key to get the maximum marks. You can't write the exam, you can't go to the exam room without solving the PYQs. PYQs are very important. Okay, so let's start with the first question here. Okay. So can you see this question has come in CBSE 2016. Yes. So what is this question? Write down the balanced chemical equations for the following statement. You have to write the balanced chemical equation. I told you that till the time they are not mentioning the word balanced, you don't have to bother about the balancing. Whatever you know, reagent gives product, you can move on. But if they have mentioned balanced, so you have to write the balanced equation. What is the meaning of balanced equation? Number of reactants, number of products, both the side they should be same. Correct? Yes. So read this question and tell me what will be the answer. NaOH solution reacts with zinc granules. Zinc granules means what? Zinc solid. Yes, zinc granule means zinc solid. Where are the girls today? Sumukh and Rohit both are boys. Where are the girls? So tell me guys, what product you are going to get? NaOH plus zinc granules. Zinc granule means zinc solid. So what you are going to get in this case? Who is going to tell me the product here? Yes, tell me. NaOH is a base. You are adding NaOH base in the zinc granules. What will be the product? Who is going to tell me the answer for this? Very good. So we are going to get Na2 zinc plus O2. Okay, fine. Sodium zincate. What is this? Sodium zincate. When I am teaching you, that time you sit with the notebook and a pen. Whatever the chemical reaction is, write down with your own hands. Just by listening, you are not going to remember this till exam. Yes, so write down. More you will write, more it will be there in your brain. It is like printed in your brain. Okay, so I want you to write also. So NaOH plus zinc, you will get sodium zincate. Okay, fine, very nice, very nice. So Mukht plus H2 gas, absolutely correct. Plus here H2 gas. Very nice, Sumukh, absolutely correct. Right, see here the next equation. Excess of carbon dioxide. What is the formula for carbon dioxide? CO2 is present in excess, is passed through lime water. What is lime water? What is the formula for lime water? What is the formula for limestone? What is the formula for slaked lime? What is the formula for quicklime? Can you tell me? These things comes again and again. So can you tell me what is the formula for lime water? Can you guys tell me what is the formula for lime water or slaked lime? Yes, boys and girls. Sumukh, Rohit, where are the girls today? Yes, very good Rohit. Calcium carbonate. Rohit, this is wrong. Calcium carbonate is limestone. It is not lime water. Yes, tell me. Limestone, calcium carbonate, that white color, that Taj Mahal thing. It is calcium carbonate. It is limestone. But they are asking you to put excess of carbon dioxide in the lime water. Correct? Yes. So can you tell me the molecular formula for lime water? Everybody, where are the girls today? Sumukt, Rohit, yes. Calcium carbonate is limestone. We want lime water. What is the formula? Write down these three things in the notebook. They are repeatedly they're asking you this, and till the time you don't know their name, you will not be able to solve the question. So what is lime water and what is slaked lime? Very good. Lime water and slaked lime is calcium hydroxide. Limestone is calcium carbonate. Quick lime is calcium oxide. Okay, fine. Yes, quick lime is calcium oxide. Limestone, that stone thing, white color stone, correct? That is your calcium carbonate. Lime water is calcium hydroxide. Now write down this balanced equation. What happens? You have to add CO2 plus lime water. Lime water means calcium hydroxide. So you are going to get calcium hydrogen carbonate. Write down this equation again. I told you, write whatever I am teaching you here just by listening. That is not enough. Take the paper, take the notebook and write down these chemical equation. This is calcium hydrogen carbonate. Calcium plus calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide is slaked lime or it is lime water. Quick lime means calcium oxide. Limestone is calcium carbonate. Next question. Is this clear? Yes. Next question. Dilute sulfuric acid. What is the formula for sulfuric acid? H2SO4. Dilute sulfuric acid is added to sodium carbonate. Sodium carbonate. What is the formula? Ma'am, is it balanced? Oh, it is not balanced. Absolutely correct. I have written here just the reaction. You have to make it balanced. Infinite is 1. Yes, so you have to make it balanced. First, I will write all the reagents. Okay, fine. So, sulfuric acid plus sodium carbonate, Na2CO3. What you are going to get in this? Infinite in 1, H2SO4 plus sodium carbonate, Na2SO4 plus water plus CO2. Absolutely correct. So here we get H2SO4 plus sodium carbonate. You are going to get Na2SO4 plus water plus CO2 gas. Write down this reaction. This reactions which I am writing is not balanced. We will balance it later. Just first write the correct reaction. Okay, fine. Yes, Na2SO3, very good. Rohit Kumar, absolutely correct. Rohit Kulkarni, sorry. Okay, next is eggshell is dropped in hydrochloric acid. Eggshell is dropped in hydrochloric acid. Copper oxide react with dilute hydrochloric oxide. Calcium, eggshell is what? What is eggshell? Do you know that when we eat eggs and we remove the cover, we keep that cover and we use it as a fertilizer for the plants. Have you seen this in your home? That garbage. We use this for the plants because eggshell is nothing but copper oxide. What is the formula for copper oxide? CuO. Reacts with dilute hydrochloric acid. Can you tell me what you are going to get? Metal oxides are basic in nature. Copper oxide is basic in nature and this is your acid. Yes, copper oxide is basic in nature. Acid plus base. Acid plus base will be what? Tell me. Acid plus base will be salt plus water. Correct? Acid plus base will be salt plus water. So what salt you are going to get? Cuprous chloride plus water. Just have a look at these reactions and tell me whether you have understood this all or what. Just have a look. Yes. Ma'am, eggshell is calcium carbonate, not copper oxide. They have mentioned here eggshell is dropped in hydrochloric acid. They want, this is by mistake. They will, you have said absolutely correct. You have said absolutely correct. Yes. So we have to write this equation. Copper 2 oxide reacts with dilute hydrochloric acid. Okay, write down for this neutralization. Absolutely correct. Very good, Rohit. Eggshell is a calcium carbonate. That is absolutely correct. But we are writing here the equation for copper oxide reacts with dilute hydrochloric acid. Just have a look here and tell me if you guys have any doubt in any reaction. Just have a look. See, NaOH heated with zinc granules. So, sodium plus NaOH, you are going to get sodium. This is the first equation. What I am telling you, whenever I am teaching you these chemical reactions, just by listening, it is not going to help you. Write down this. Okay. Second is excess of carbon dioxide in lime water. What is the formula for lime water? Lime water is calcium hydroxide, right? So H2SO4, sorry, CO2 plus calcium hydroxide, you will get calcium carbonate. Correct? Dilute sulfuric acid added to sodium carbonate. You got Na2SO4 water plus CO2. Correct? Copper oxide. Metal oxides are basic in nature. Metal oxide HCl, you get salt plus water. Are these equations clear to you? Do give me a thumbs up if you have understood this clearly, each one. Is there any doubt? Guys, just do give me a thumbs up if you have understood. Fine, if there is any doubt, just ask me. So now let's move to the next question. See here, this is the solution. Cuprous oxide. Metal oxides are basic in nature. This is metal oxide. This is basic in nature, right? This is acid. So, base plus acid, salt plus water, zinc plus NaOH. This is the balanced reaction. This is, all these reactions are balanced reaction. They all are balanced reaction. Okay, fine. So, here calcium hydroxide is called lime water. Correct? Calcium hydroxide is called lime water. When you pass excess of CO2, you get calcium hydrocarbonate, sodium carbonate plus H2SO4, Na2SO4, water plus CO2, calcium carbonate plus HCl, calcium chloride plus water plus CO2. You guys are telling that eggshell. Yes? Clear? Some of you have told me that eggshell is calcium carbonate, right? Rohit, infinite is one. You guys have told me that eggshell is calcium carbonate. So if you will put, see here, calcium carbonate, and if in this you are going to put HCl, acid, what you are going to get? Calcium chloride plus water plus CO2 gas. Just have a look. If you are going to add acid, HCl acid in the eggshell, calcium carbonate is, eggshell contains calcium carbonate. Eggshell contains calcium carbonate. My dear students, do give me a thumbs up if you have understood this question. If in the exam they will ask you that eggshell, if you put HCl in eggshell, what happens? So eggshell is calcium carbonate. When you put dilute HCl, you get calcium chloride, you get water and CO2 gas releases. Is that clear? Yes. So now we are moving to the next question. Okay, fine. Chalo. So here is the next question. This question is CBSE 2014. Just have a look here. Write down one example of decomposition reaction. Can you guys do let me in the chat box? Very good, Somukt. Can you guys do let me in the chat box that what do you mean by decomposition? What do you mean by decomposition? A plus B gives AB, or AB breaks into A plus B. What kind of reaction? Which reaction is decomposition reaction? Which reaction is a decomposition reaction? Infinite is one. What is electricity? Where are the girls today? Today I can't see any girls. Infinite is one, is a boy or a girl? Okay, tell me, which reaction here is decomposition reaction? First or second? Decomposition means breaking. Correct? Yes. So, very good. Decomposition is the second one is the decomposition reaction. Absolutely correct. You have to give an example where decomposition is happening in the presence of electricity. Where the electricity. Very good, Harsha. Okay, finally we have one girl in our class. Yes, very good, Rachita. So all the girls were quiet. Why, girls? Why you have to be quiet? Okay. So you have to show decomposition reaction by electricity, by heat. Light and electricity is the same thing. Okay, fine. So electricity and heat. So what you are going to see? A single reactant gives multiple product with energy supply. Very good, Rohit. Absolutely correct. Decomposition means one single compound gives you multiple products when you pass the current, energy, basically force. Correct? Absolutely correct. So now tell me, electricity. My dear student, have you seen, you can use this also, okay, NaCl. NaCl, when I will pass the electricity in this, write down this reaction. Electrolysis means I am passing the current, I am passing the electricity through NaCl solution. Okay. So when I pass the electricity in NaCl solution, you get sodium solid state and chlorine in the gaseous form. This is the example of decomposition of NaCl in presence of electrolysis. Is that clear? This is decomposition of NaCl. Decomposition in presence of electricity. When you will pass electricity through NaCl solution, you will get sodium solid and chlorine gas. This phase is very important. This phase is very important. Okay, fine. So just have a look here and tell me whether you have understood this or not. Okay, yeah. Okay, fine, guys. So this you understood? Yes. Do let me know if you have understood the first part. Second thing is the heat one. Second thing is from the heat. Second thing is from the heat. So for example, if you will take, yeah, you can take calcium carbonate. Who has given me the example of calcium carbonate? Sumukt, very good. Calcium carbonate. Yes, AgCl plus Cl2 light. Cl2 is not light. In the presence of light you are telling. Very good. Infinite is one. Very nice. Absolutely correct. So Mukt has given the correct answer. Calcium carbonate. When you apply the heat, you get calcium oxide plus CO2. Calcium oxide is quicklime. Calcium oxide is quicklime. Calcium oxide is quicklime. Understood? Okay, fine. So just have a look. As infinite is 1, they have told. Very good. Again you tell me your name. I forgot your name. Infinite is 1. What was your name? AgCl. When you will pass the light in this, you will get Ag metal solid form plus Cl2 gas. Just have a look. Did you understand? Do give me a thumbs up if you have understood. Yes, very good. Do give me a thumbs up if you have understood, my dear students. Harsha, infinite is 1. Sumukt, Viksha, yes. Viksha, Rohit, Harsha, Sumukt. Yes, tell me if you have understood. So can I move forward to the next part? A. Which of the following statement is correct? Copper can displace silver from silver nitrate. Copper can displace silver from silver nitrate. My dear student, tell me, copper and Ag, which one is more reactive? Can you tell me, copper and Ag, which one is more reactive? You have learned about the reactivity of the metals. Some metals are more reactive. Very good, Ruchita. Very good, Rachita. Yes, very good, Rachita. Sumukt. Very nice. What about others? Harsha. Yes. Where is Rohit? Where is Viksha? Let's have a look to the next question. You have to tell me copper and Ag, which is, I am telling you copper, yeah, copper, correct, Viksha, copper is more reactive. So, yes, absolutely, very good, Rohit, very good. Copper is more reactive than Ag. So, will copper be able to replace Ag? Copper can displace silver from silver nitrate. Tell me, will copper be able to replace Ag from AgNO3? Yes or no? Will copper be able to replace Ag from AgNO3? What is the answer? Very, very good, guys. Yes, copper can replace. But silver can displace copper from copper sulfate. Can copper, tell me, can silver can replace copper from copper sulfate? Which reaction can happen? Very good, Vriksha, very good, Rohit. Yes, copper is more reactive. It can replace AgNO3. It can replace Ag from AgNO3. What about here? Will Ag be able to replace copper sulfate from copper? Copper from copper sulfate. So what is the answer here? This we have done. Yes, just have a look here. Copper plus AgNO3, it will form copper nitrate. This is possible because copper is a more reactive metal than Ag. Copper is a more reactive metal than Ag, right? And copper can replace Ag, but Ag cannot replace copper. So copper, yes, very good, Somok, very good, Rohit, very good, Vriksha, very good, Ruchita, very nice. So copper can replace copper. Copper can replace Ag from AgNO3. You will get copper nitrate plus Ag. Correct? And the second thing is not possible. If you will write copper sulfate plus Ag, there is going to be no reaction. What is the reason for this? That Ag is less reactive than copper. Ag is not able to replace copper. Correct? Can I move forward to the next question? Have you guys understood this part? This is the decomposition with the electricity, with the heat. You can take lead nitrate. You can also take calcium carbonate, which will give you calcium oxide and CO2 in presence of light. As you guys have told me, AgCl or AgBr in presence of light, it will give you Ag solid and Cl2 gas. Okay, fine. Is this question clear? Is this part clear, guys? Do give me a thumbs up if you have understood so that we can move forward to the next question. Yes? So, Mukt, Vriksha, Ruchita, Harsha, Rohit, is that clear, guys? Can I move forward to the next question? Yes? Okay. So, here is our next question. CBSE 2012. Wherever you have doubt, just write down in the comment box. I will read that and I will solve that doubt. Okay? The only thing is, don't keep any doubt in your mind. Fine. Rohit Kulkarni understood? Okay. What about others? Tell me, guys. Chalo, let's have a look at this question. CBSE 2012, right? In the electrolysis of water, when you do the electrolysis, Very good, Rohit. At anode, oxygen. Very nice. Guys, see here. When you pass the electricity in water, when you pass the electricity in water, that is called electrolysis. So, you get H2 gas and you get O2 gas. Okay, fine. Okay, first of all, just have a look at this reaction and tell me, is this a balanced reaction? Can you guys tell me, is this a balanced reaction? H2 on cathode and O2 on anode. Rohit, Vriksha, Somukh, good. Can you tell me here, guys, is this a balanced reaction? Molecules of hydrogen is to oxygen is equal to 2. Tell me, guys, is this a balanced reaction? Balanced means equal number of hydrogen this side, equal number of hydrogen this side. Equal number of oxygen this side, equal number of oxygen this side. Is this a balanced reaction? Yes or no, I want in the comment box. I feel that you guys are feeling today very lazy. I am not getting answers very fast. Very good, very good. No, this is not a balanced reaction. Very good, Rachita. Very good, Rohit. If I have to write the balanced reaction, what I will write? 2 water molecule, you will get 2 H2 molecule and O2 molecule will be only 1. Correct? Yes. It is not balanced. Absolutely correct. This reaction is a balanced reaction, right? Yes. So, when you will do electrolysis of water, I will write here. Electrolysis of water will give you electrolysis of water will give you 2 moles of H2 and 1 mole of O2, and I can also say that 2 liters of H2 gas and 1 liter of O2 gas. Okay, is that clear? Yes. When we have written a balanced reaction, we are getting 2 of H2, 1 of O2, 2 liter of hydrogen and 1 liter of oxygen. H2 gas can be checked by bringing a burning matchstick near to it and it burns with a pop sound. Absolutely correct, Vriksha. Rohit, bringing a burning candle and if it pops, it shows the presence of hydrogen. Absolutely correct. How we can check that? Yes, absolutely correct. Yes, very good, guys. You can check the hydrogen gas. If there is a hydrogen gas evolving, near to that you can bring a matchstick. If the matchstick burns with a pop sound, it means that it is a H2 gas. Clear? Yes. So, how you will test this gas? By bringing what? By bringing matchstick near to it. Very good, guys. And it will burn with pop sound. It will burn with pop sound. Correct? Okay. Why is volume of gas collected at one electrode double than the other? Name this gas. Who is double in the amount? When we are doing the electrolysis of water, which one is double in the amount? Can you tell me, guys? When we are doing electrolysis of water, whose amount is double from the other one? Quickly give me the answers. Somukh, Ruchita, Harsha, Infinite is 1, Vriksha, Rohit. Tell me, guys, whose amount is double? Hydrogen or oxygen? Yes, absolutely correct. Hydrogen is double in the amount than oxygen. And what you guys have told, that is also correct. Very, very good. Rohit Kulkarni, absolutely correct. Hydrogen is double in the amount. That's why we are getting double hydrogen gas. Yes, absolutely correct. So, as you have told me, at cathode you are going to get H2 gas. Absolutely correct. At anode you are going to get HO2 gas. That is also absolutely correct. Why is the volume is double? Because you will write in water H2O, hydrogen ratio oxygen is 2:1. Hydrogen is 2 and oxygen is 1. This is the reason that we get double hydrogen. And which gas is this? Hydrogen gas is double in amount, right? How you will test this gas? You all have told me this answer. So I hope this question is crystal clear to all of you. Tell me, do give me a thumbs up if you have understood. Sumukt, Vriksha, Harsha, Ruchita, Rohit. Guys, do give me a thumbs up if you have understood so that we can move forward to the next question. Just have a look at the whole question. Okay, fine. Next. So here is the next question. Yes? Okay. So this is the question CBSE 2015. This question is being asked in CBSE 2015. Yes? So who is going to read this question and who is going to tell me? Just have a look. Sumukh, very good. I'm waiting for others. What guys, today you are feeling very lazy? Yes? It seems that you all guys are very much tired. I guess you are preparing day and night. That's why you are feeling, you are feeling dull. Yes? Okay, just have a look at this question. Who is going to tell me the answer for this? Write the chemical equations for the reaction in which following changes takes place with the example of each. They want one chemical reaction where color change is happening. Okay. They want one chemical reaction where color change is happening. They want the chemical reaction where temperature is either increasing or decreasing. They want a chemical reaction where precipitate is forming. Precipitate means what? Solid thing. Correct? So quickly tell me the answer, guys. Can you tell me one chemical reaction? Infinite is 1. Sumukh. Change in temperature, calcium hydroxide, calcium oxide plus water, calcium hydroxide plus heat. The reaction between iron and copper sulfate to change the blue color. Very, very good. You all people have given me the correct answer. Absolutely correct. First, we will take the change in color. Yes. So, iron plus copper sulfate. My dear student, iron plus copper sulfate. This reaction is which reaction? Can you tell me this is which reaction? Copper sulfate. Iron and copper. You know that iron is more reactive than copper, right? It means that iron can replace copper, right? So, iron plus copper sulfate, aqueous. Copper sulfate is in the aqueous form. What is the color of copper sulfate? What is the color of copper sulfate? Vriksha, Sumukh. Yes, tell me guys, what is the color for copper sulfate? Copper sulfate is blue in color. Yes, this is a blue color compound. Yes, and very good Sumukh, it is a displacement reaction. Absolutely correct. So, now copper sulfate, copper will be replaced by iron. You will get iron sulfate plus copper in the solid form. Correct? So, can you tell me what is the color for ferrous sulfate? What is the color for ferrous sulfate? My dear students, Sumukh is telling blue. Yes. Very good guys. Copper sulfate is green in color. So, you have started with a blue color solution and solution got changed to solution. You have started with a blue color solution. Blue color means copper sulfate, right? In this you have added iron, iron nails. Yes, this solution got changed from blue to green. Why green? This solution changed to blue to green because this green color of ferrous sulfate and copper is out. Correct? Did you understand this color change? My dear student, did you understand this color change? Do give me a thumbs up if you have understood. Copper sulfate in the aqueous medium is blue in color. When you add in this iron, it converts into iron sulfate, which is green in color. So color got changed. Yes? Okay? Fine. Now, next one. Change in temperature. Which reaction can show the change in temperature? Calcium oxide plus water. Calcium oxide, change in temperature. Calcium oxide is quicklime, right? In this you will add water. It will convert into calcium hydroxide and what? It will convert into calcium hydroxide plus H2 gas plus heat. Is this the correct thing? Is this the correct thing? Tell me guys. But the thing is, okay, is that correct? Is this reaction correct? Quicklime converted into slaked lime and it will represent a lot of heat. So change in temperature. Here temperature is less, after reaction temperature is more. Whenever heat is released, heat is absorbed, temperature will get changed. So guys, tell me, have you understood? Do give me a thumbs up in the chat box. Change in temperature, formation of precipitate. For precipitate, infinite as 1 has given us the formula, right? Lead nitrate with Ki. Yes, absolutely correct. I will write here lead nitrate. This is the aqueous thing. In this you have mixed Ki. It will convert into PbI2. PbI2 is a precipitate. PbI2 is yellow color precipitate. So, yellow color precipitate. PPT means yellow color precipitate and you got here KNO3. So, these are the three reactions. In the first one, the color is getting changed. Yes. In the second one, temperature is getting changed. Calcium oxide plus water give you calcium hydroxide plus hydrogen plus heat. In the third one, formation of precipitate. Lead nitrate. Yes. Ma'am, there is no hydrogen gas produced. Ma'am, there is no hydrogen gas produced. In which case you are telling me? Infinite is 1. In which case you are telling me? Yes. So guys, see here. Lead nitrate, which is white color, is converted into yellow color PPT. Clear? Just have a look for this. Okay, just a second. Okay. Change in temperature, you can also take this example. Change in temperature, you can also take this example. Correct? You know this, right? Magnesium ribbon. When you burn this in the presence of air, it gives you magnesium oxide, which is the white sparkling. You know this, right? This is also an example of heat. It is producing heat. It means it is increasing the temperature. Okay, calcium oxide plus water. What do you get in this? Calcium oxide plus water. You get calcium hydroxide and plus what? Okay, fine. So, is this question clear? My dear students, just have a look here. Is this question clear to all of you? Will you be able to write 3 reactions? 1, where color is getting changed. 2, where temperature is getting changed. 3, where precipitate is forming. Very good, Harsha. What about the others? Sumukt, Rohit, Vriksha. Yes. Understood, guys? Can I move forward to the next question? Just have a look what is happening, and whatever I am writing, try to write down this in your notebook. Here, you are not going to get H2 gas. That's what you are telling, right? Yes. You can also use for this change in temperature, you can also use magnesium plus oxygen. It will give you magnesium oxide plus heat. You can also use this reaction. Magnesium plus oxygen, magnesium oxide plus heat. Okay, fine. Can I move forward to the next question? If you will give me a thumbs up, I will move forward to the next question. Chalo. Here is our next question. Here just you have to write the balanced reaction for these chemical reactions. You have to write balanced equations for these chemical reactions. Hydrogen plus chlorine, it will give you hydrogen chloride. Just listen to me, whenever they mention hydrogen, single hydrogen does not exist. Okay, hydrogen means H, this is not going to exist. Always you have to write in the form of gas. Hydrogen gas means H2. Hydrogen single hydrogen is not gas. Single hydrogen is not gas. Single hydrogen does not exist independently. One hydrogen does not exist. So whenever they are mentioning hydrogen, you have to take H2. Chlorine means chlorine gas, it means Cl2. If oxygen means O2 gas. Okay, very good Vriksha, very nice. So hydrogen means H2, chlorine means Cl2. If you know their phases, if you know what is their medium, if you don't know, don't write. But if you know, definitely you have to write here H2 plus gas. If you don't know, don't write wrong. Anyway, you will get full marks. But if you will write, this is the better way. Okay, fine. If you don't remember, don't write. H2 gas plus Cl2 gas, it will give you 2HCl. This is a balanced reaction. 2 hydrogen this side, 2 chlorine this side, 2 HCl this side. Very good Vriksha. Where are others? Sumukt, Rohit, Ruchita, where is Harsha? Lead plus copper chloride. Lead means what? Lead is a solid. Okay. Again I am telling you, if you know, write down their state of matter. Otherwise you don't have to mention. Lead plus copper chloride, it will give you lead chloride. Lead chloride means PbCl2 and copper out. So just you have to balance this reaction. This reaction seems balanced. This reaction doesn't need any modification. This reaction is balanced. My dear student, is the reaction balanced here? Yes. What is the chemical formula for zinc oxide? Zinc also 2 positive charge, oxygen also 2 negative charge. What is the molecular formula? What is the chemical formula for zinc oxide? Absolutely correct. Zinc oxide is ZnO plus carbon. It will give you zinc plus carbon monoxide. This reaction is also balanced. Okay, fine, clear. Just have a look. Is this question clear to all of you? Then I will move forward to the next question. Is this question clear to all of you guys? Then I will move forward to the next question. Do give me a thumbs up. Yes. Zinc oxide, Sumukt. Do give me a thumbs up if you have understood. We will move forward to the next one. Yes. Can we move forward to the next question? Zinc oxide plus carbon, zinc plus carbon monoxide is used to extraction of zinc metal. Absolutely correct, Rohit. Absolutely correct. To extract zinc from zinc oxide, we take this method. But if you don't know this extra information, you don't write wrong in the exam. Remember one thing, you might not get extra marks for writing some extra points. But definitely the examiner will cut the marks for wrong statements. If you try to put extra information, you write whenever you are 100% sure. If your extra information is wrong, the chances are there that they will cut your marks. But if you are writing extra information, nobody will give you extra marks. Okay? It will just, chances will increase to get full marks. So, don't write anything extra if you are not sure. Okay? Fine? Chalo. So, is this question clear? Can we move forward to the next question? Yes? So, here is our next question. Just have a look. I am waiting here. Just have a look. Read this question. Again, they are mentioning you to write the balanced reaction. Okay, again, if they have mentioned the word balanced, you have to write the balanced reaction. Okay, fine. Write down the balanced chemical equation for the following reactions. Okay, so tell me, what is the formula for hydrogen sulfide? What is the formula for hydrogen sulfide? Hydrogen sulfide burns in air. Air means oxygen gas. What is the meaning of air? It is oxygen gas. Hydrogen sulfide means H2S. To give water, water means H2O. Sulfur dioxide means SO2. So you have to write the chemical balance reaction. Very good, Vriksha. Very nice. So for the first one, it is H2S. The sulfide gas burns. It means that H2S is reacting with O2 gas to give you SO2 plus water. Is this a balanced reaction? This side 1S, this side 1S, this side 2 oxygen, this side 3 oxygen. So what should I do? 3 O2 and 3 to the 6, 2 and 4. Is this balanced now? What should I do to balance this reaction? Is this a balanced reaction, guys? H2S plus O2, they have told you to write the balanced reaction. This side you have 2 hydrogen, 1 sulfur and 2 oxygen. Correct? This side you are getting 3 oxygen, 2 hydrogen and 1 sulfur. So you have to balance oxygen. So if I will put here 2, then what will I get? What I am going to get? If I will put here 2 here, 2 2s are 4, so 2 and 2. Okay, 2 2s are 4, then 2 sulfur. Sulfur this side only. Check this and tell me whether this is a balanced reaction or not. Is this a balanced reaction or not? My dear students, check this once whether this is a balanced reaction or not. Do let me know in the chat box if this reaction is not balanced or this reaction is balanced. Tell me, is this a balanced reaction? H2S plus 3O2, it will give you SO2 plus water. Is this a balanced reaction? Do give me a thumbs up if this is a balanced reaction. This is absolutely a balanced reaction. Same number of sulfur this side, same number of sulfur that side, same number of oxygen, same number of hydrogen. Okay, fine. Next, barium chloride. What is the formula for barium chloride? Barium chloride is BaCl2 react with zinc sulfate. What is the formula for zinc sulfate? It is ZnSO4. To give you zinc chloride means ZnCl2 and barium sulfate, BaSO4. Yes, I am not getting any response in the chat box, guys. Whether you are understanding this or not. Tell me whether these reactions are balanced or not. Barium chloride plus zinc sulfate will give you zinc chloride plus barium sulfate. Do give me a thumbs up in the chat box if you have understood. This reaction is a balanced reaction. Tell me. The second one, natural gas. I will wait for you guys when you will tell me that what is the chemical formula for natural gas. What is the chemical formula for natural gas? What is the chemical formula for natural gas, guys? Can you let me know? It is a double displacement reaction, ma'am. Okay, yes, that is absolutely correct. Sumukt, barium, yes, absolutely correct. Barium chloride plus zinc chloride plus barium sulfate. It is absolutely a double displacement reaction. Now, do let me know what is the chemical formula for natural gas. Rohit, ammonia is not natural gas. Who is going to tell me which gas is called natural gas? I am waiting for your response. Sumukt, Vriksha, Harsha, Suchita, Rohit, what is the formula for natural gas? Chemical formula. Yes, absolutely correct. Natural gas means CH4. So CH4 bonds in presence of air. Air means O2 to form CO2 and water. So is this a balanced reaction? These are the three reactions, A, B and C. Just have a look. Very good, Vriksha. Methane is natural gas and the formula for this is CH4. Okay, correct guys? CH4 plus O2, CO2 plus water, these are the three reactions. I hope balancing you can do. Yes? Okay. So just have a look here. These are the three reactions. CH4 plus 2O2, CO2 plus 2 water, barium chloride plus zinc sulfate, barium sulfate plus zinc chloride, H2S plus O2, water plus SO2. These are the balanced reaction. Yes? Have you guys understood this question? Can I move forward to the next question? Very good, Harsha and in Vriksha. Can I move forward to the next question, guys? Do give me a thumbs up if you have understood. I'm feeling like I am explaining you and I have no clue whether you have understood or you have not understood or you guys have any doubt. We have the chat box so that we can have a clear and good communication. Yes. So tell me whether you have understood this question. Can I move forward to the next question? Yes. Okay. Yes. Very good, Samukt. Next question is being asked in CBSE 2016. Just read this statement. Very good, Harsha. What about others? Just read this question and tell me whether you will be able to solve this question or not. List two observations that are noticed on iron nail. This is not oil. This is iron nail. Iron nail means which we use to pluck. Sorry, which we use on the walls to hang something. That are called nails, right? What observation you see when iron nail is put in copper sulfate solution? Write down the chemical reaction. First of all, tell me what is the color for copper sulfate solution? Who is going to tell me the answer for this? What is the color for copper sulfate? So, how you will write? Iron nail means iron solid. Yes, iron nail, it means iron in the solid form. Correct? For example, you have taken one beaker. In this, you have put blue color copper sulfate. Copper sulfate is blue in color and in this, you have put this brown color iron nail. What is the color of iron? These are iron nails. Is this color visible to you people? And this is being dropped in the copper sulfate solution. So what is going to happen? Tell me. Yes, iron is going to displace copper. Very good, Harsha. Blue color, absolutely correct. Absolutely correct. So iron nail react with copper sulfate because iron is more reactive than copper. Copper sulfate is going to convert into iron sulfate and copper will come out. Correct? Fine. So what is going to happen? This blue color solution is going to convert into green color solution. This green color solution is due to the iron sulfate and you will get copper solid out. Yes? Clear? Is this question clear? Yes? Very good. This is a color change. Have you seen that how they are asking the same question in different language? In the previous year, they have asked you that write a chemical equation where you can see the color change. Correct? This is also same question. What will happen when you will put iron in copper sulfate? This is also a color change reaction. Okay? So that's why PYQs are so important. They will just change the language of the question. The question concept is going to be same. Okay? Fine. So tell me, is this question clear? Can we move forward to the next question? Yes? Okay. So this is the thing. The blue color solution of copper sulfate. Copper sulfate is blue in color. It will convert into pale blue. This will convert into pale green and this copper is reddish color. This is going to deposit. This is deposit from copper sulfate. Okay, fine. Very good, Harsha. Very good, Somuk. Okay, next question. CBSE 2015. This is the question. Tell me, can you read this statement and can you tell me the answer for this? We need to balance a skeleton chemical equation. So basically they're asking you the reason that why we need balancing. Who wants to give me the answer for this? That why we need balancing. Tell me, who wants to give me answer for this, that why we need balancing? Yes. Okay, so here, what is the answer for this? We need to balance a chemical equation due to the law of conservation of mass. If you have to mention this word, what word? Law of conservation of mass. Sorry, mass. Law of conservation of mass. Because of this law, you have to do the balancing. What this law says? What this law says? Very good, Rohit. According to the law of conservation of mass, I am writing here, according to law of conservation of mass, mass of reactants remains equal to mass of product. It means that you cannot prepare something new. Sorry, you can definitely prepare something new, but whatever is there, it will get only exchanged. You cannot prepare something extra. According to conservation of mass, atom should be equal in both reactant and product. Absolutely correct. For example, water. H2 plus O2, it gives you water, right? This side, reactant side, 2 hydrogen and 2 oxygen. Product side, 2 hydrogen and 1 oxygen. This is not a balanced reaction. This is not following the conservation of mass. Correct? Law of conservation of mass, this reaction is not following, which is not the way chemical reaction react. Chemicals react in the way that reactants and products, they are equal in mass. Correct? So what we will write here? We will write here 2. We will write here 2. So now what is going to happen? We will write here 2 and here 2. So here 4 hydrogen and 2 oxygen. Here 4 hydrogen and 2 oxygen. This is a balanced thing. Okay, fine. So we need balancing. Just have a look. You have this word should be there in your answer. You need to do the balancing because to justify the law of conservation of mass. Okay, we must balance the skeleton equation to ensure that the reaction follows law of conservation of mass. Total mass of reactant must be equal to total mass of product. That's why all reaction is balanced. Okay, fine guys. So here we have done all the questions. Now you have to tell me. Now you have to tell me that in the next class which chapter you want. No, I want this bigger. Tell me guys, in next class which chapter you want in the class. I am thinking of taking carbon and its compound. Yeah. Yes, tell me which chapter you want guys. I have thought of taking carbon compounds. Whatever you want, I will take the next chapter. Tell me quickly which chapter you want. Okay, so if you don't have any choice, then I will take carbon and its compound. Okay, fine. In the next class, we are going to do carbon and its compound. What do you want? Carbon, its compound, or metals or non-metals or acid base? What do you want? See, nobody is telling anything. Anyways guys, so in the next class we are going to do this chapter carbon and its compound. Fine, Harsha. I will end this session here. If you have found this class helpful, don't forget to subscribe the channel and like the video. Okay guys, I will end this session here and I will meet you in the next class. Bye bye everybody.